Hey guys, welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a backup member bot on Discord. To get started, go to Vaultcord, log into your account, or set one up using your email. On the top left sidebar, you will see the bots option. Click it, then create a new bot. Click Add Bot and select Custom Bot. Next, open the Discord developer portal. Create a new application. This is a quick process. Give the application a name, click Create, and complete the CAPTCHA. Add a description and tags, review the public key, and copy the application ID. Now go to the Bot section. Reset the bot token, confirm the action, and complete multi-factor authentication. Copy the token, paste it into Vaultcord, and click Proceed. Click Proceed to continue. Return to the application settings and open OAuth 2. Reset the client secret, copy it, and paste it into Vaultcord. Click Proceed again. Add the redirect URL, paste it, and continue. Save the changes and proceed. You have now successfully created your bot. This is the bot you just created. Go to your Discord server, click Create a Server, select the bot, and continue. Authorize the bot, add it to a server, and complete the CAPTCHA. Once verification is successful, click Continue and follow the verification link. The system will check your server, then click View Server. Return to your server and confirm it is connected to your Discord app. Back in Discord, you will see the new server with the selected channels. This is how you create a backup member board on your Discord channels. You can add members to the server and check other videos on the channel to learn how to manage members. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and thanks for watching.